Can you see yourself in the 2017 Jeep Patriot? This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Answer the call to adventure in this well-equipped Patriot. Spacious, versatile, and affordable, this iconic compact SUV is ready to take you where you want to go. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. Don't miss the chance to drive this handsome Patriot. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.